Hello children, let's begin our first poem, that is The Road Not Taken. This beautiful poem is written by Robert Frost. Children, the meaning of the title is A Path Which You Have Not Taken. This poem is very relevant to our life also. This is similar to the career options we have in our life. In our lives, there are two options in our life, but we have to choose one of them. Let's begin our poem. The two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. In these lines, the poet is giving a description of the forest. He is standing in the forest. Here, the yellow wood refers to the forest, and yellow refers to the leaves turned yellow. Why the leaves turned yellow? Because of the autumn season. Now, the poet feels sorry. Why he feels sorry? Because he alone cannot travel both the roads. He is finding it difficult to choose one road. To be one traveler stood there for a long time. He was thinking about which road is better for him. As he was noticing, one of the road bent in a dense growth of trees. Undergrowth means dense growth of trees. Now what happened then? Then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim. Because it was grassy and wanted wear, through as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Now, after seeing the road is disappeared, the poet decided to choose the another road. Then, because he felt both the roads are beautiful, both the roads are important. One of them, now he chose one of them. He think that maybe the path was better for him. So he chose it as it had grass on it. Grass on it refers to that it was unused. The road was unused. The road was used by some people only. Then on this path, after he walked on the both paths, had been worn out the same ways. Now he realized that both the paths were similar. Children, let's see some poetic devices used by the poet. Rhyming scheme. See, in the first paragraph, the poet has used the poetic device of rhyme, and the rhyming scheme is A, B, A, B. Now, in the second poetic device, the poet has used this visually imagery. Visually imagery means when you visualize something, the poets create a scene in front of you. Next, metaphor, extended metaphor, it means the roads are symbolized with the two options are life. Here the poet has used the poetic device of metaphor, anaphora. See, in paragraph first and stanza first, the poet has used and sorry I could not and be one traveller. The word and is used in the consecutive sentences. So, this is the poetic device of anaphora.